What's up everyone, welcome back to K2 Blogging, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a WebP converter tool for your website. So you can do it with your Blogger and WordPress website. So as you can see, if you search for WebP converter, then you will see a lot of website where you can upload your image and convert it to WebP format. Similarly, we can create our own WebP converter tool. So let's check how you can do that. So if you go to techleap.in and then go to the tool section, you will find a WebP converter tool like this. So if you click on upload, then you can select your images and then you can set your quality and you can convert and download the file. Now let's go to the file manager and you can see the PNG image is 201 KB. Now if you check that, the WebP image is 45 KB. So you can see the reduction in size. So this is how this tool works. So you can also select multiple images. So let me refresh this page and let me select multiple images. So let me select all these images and let me click on open. Now it will upload all the images. Then you can select WebP, JPG or PNG format and you can set the quality and you can convert and download it. Now it will convert all the images and download in a zip file like this. So let me open it and you can see all the images are now in WebP format. So in this way the WebP converter tool works. Now let's check how you can add it to your WordPress website. So for this, let's go to our WordPress dashboard and here you can install a free theme. So let's go to theme. Now you can install a theme like Cadence. So let me click on install. Now let's go to plugins and let me click on add plugin. Now you can search for Cadence blocks and install this plugin. Now you can search for WP code and you can install any of the code manager plugin. Let's install that. Alright, let's go to plugins and let's activate both the plugin. Now let me close that. Now let's go to pages and let me click on add page and let me set the title like WebP converter and let me click on page settings. Let me set it as full width, set it as unbox layout, and I will disable the vertical spacing and disable the feature image. Now you can directly add the code here or you can use the WP code manager plugin to add the code. So let me search for custom HTML block and I need to copy a code like this and let's paste it. Now we can wrap this in a row layout as well. So what I can do is I will simply search for row layout or you can click on the plus icon and add the row layout. Now let me click on first one and let me drag this HTML block to the row layout like this. Now let me select the row layout and click on use theme content inner width and let's set it as WebP converter. Let's publish. Now let me click on view page and this is how the WebP converter added here. Now let's click on edit page and let me click on the row layout and let me click on align middle. Now let's click on here, let me click on this section and let me click on alignment to center, vertical alignment to center. Let's hit save and let's view this page. As you can see, now it is properly centered. So make sure to select the row layout and after that you have to select this section and add the alignment to center. Now let's set this page as home page. So if you go to home page, then there is nothing showing up. So for this, let's go to dashboard. Let's go to settings and click on reading. Now I can set this page as my home page. And if you want to add multiple tools, then you can create a custom home page. For now, let me set this page as home page and you can see our WebP converter is live. Now let's test this. Let me click on here and let me select the same PNG file and let me set the quality to 55%. Let's convert and download. And as you can see, our file is now downloaded and the size is 34 KB. So this is how you can create a WebP converter tool in WordPress. You can use the same with Blogger as well. Just go to the edit HTML section and add the code and your tool will be live. So if you still have doubt, then do let me know in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.